2023 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. With less than 55,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.